Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know, we spend a huge chunk of our lives at work and things can get a little intense, right? Deadlines, presentations, that one coworker who always forgets their headphones, it's a lot. So today we're talking about something super important, how to keep your cool even when things get crazy at work. We've got some really practical tips and tricks to help you stay calm, collected, and on top of your game. Let's do this. Okay, first things first, we've got to figure out what sets you off. It's crucial to understand what exactly triggers your stress or frustration. Are there specific situations, people, or maybe even certain sounds that make you want to pull your hair out? It could be anything from a noisy office to a particular colleague's habits. For me, it's definitely when my printer decides to jam right before a big meeting. Well, the worst. It's like the universe conspires against you at the most critical moments. But seriously, identifying your triggers is the first step to managing your reactions. It's about being mindful and aware of what sets you off. Think about those moments when you felt your cool slipping away. What was happening? Who was involved? Was it a particular task or a specific person? Once you know your triggers, you can start to develop strategies for dealing with them head on. This awareness is empowering. Maybe it's taking a few deep breaths, practicing mindfulness, or even meditating for a few minutes. Going for a quick walk, stepping outside to get some fresh air, or just moving around to change your environment, or even just having a funny meme ready to look at on your phone. Whatever works for you. The key is to find what helps you reset and regain your composure. All right, let's talk about mindfulness. It's a practice that's been gaining a lot of attention lately, and for good reason. I know, it sounds kind of new agey, but trust me on this one. It's not just a trend, it's a powerful tool. Mindfulness is basically just being present in the moment, and it can be a total game changer when it comes to staying composed. Imagine being able to focus better and reduce stress. Think of it like this. When you're caught up in stress and frustration, your mind is racing a million miles a minute, right? It's hard to think clearly or make good decisions. Mindfulness helps you hit the brakes and focus on what's happening right here, right now. It allows you to take a step back and see things more clearly. Deep breathing exercises are awesome for this. Just a few deep breaths can really calm your nervous system. It's like hitting a reset button for your mind and body. And if you're open to it, even a few minutes of meditation can make a world of difference. It doesn't have to be long or complicated. There are some great apps out there that can guide you through it. These tools can help you build a regular practice, making it easier to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. Now let's talk about emotional intelligence, or EQ for short. It's basically the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, and it's a superpower in the workplace. People with high EQ can navigate social complexities, lead and motivate others, and excel in their careers. Think about it. Have you ever worked with someone who just seems to stay calm, cool, and collected no matter what's thrown their way? They handle stress like a pro and never seem to lose their temper. Chances are they've got a high EQ. This ability to remain composed under pressure is invaluable. The good news is that emotional intelligence is a skill you can develop. It's not something you're just born with. It can be nurtured and improved over time. Start by paying attention to your own emotions. How do you feel in different situations? What sets you off? Recognizing these triggers is the first step. And just as importantly, how do your emotions affect the people around you? Your mood can influence your colleagues and the overall work environment. By becoming more aware of your own emotional landscape, you can start to manage your reactions more effectively. This self-awareness is the cornerstone of emotional intelligence and can lead to better relationships and success at work. Okay, this one might seem obvious, but I'm going to say it anyway because it's so important. Take breaks. When you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed, stepping away from your work for even a few minutes can make a huge difference. Seriously, get up, move around, stretch, grab a coffee or tea, whatever helps you relax and recharge. And when you're on your break, try to disconnect from work completely. Resist the urge to check your email or scroll through work-related social media. Give your mind a chance to rest and come back refreshed. Last but definitely not least, remember that you don't have to go through this alone. Reach out to your support system, your colleagues, friends, family, or even a therapist. Talking to someone you trust about what you're going through can help you gain perspective, find solutions, and just feel less alone. And hey, if you're struggling to manage stress or difficult emotions at work, don't hesitate to reach out to a mental health professional. There's no shame in asking for help, and it can make a world of difference. And that's it for today's video. Remember, staying composed at work is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes practice, patience, and a whole lot of self-compassion. Be kind to yourself, celebrate your progress, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay composed and see you next time.